First look and hands-on of iPhone 15 Spigen thin fit case. If you're interested in buying this case, you can check the link in the description below. Those who look for cheap yet well-made cases know Spigen very well. Spigen prides itself on offering excellent-feeling cases that typically cost a fraction of the price of what some other accessory makers charge, and its thin fit case for iPhone 15 is a fine example of that. The thin fit is a very simple, hard plastic case that leaves the iPhone 15's buttons, top and bottom exposed. Because it's more of a shell than a soft cushion, it's not likely to protect your iPhone much in the case of a drop. But some users prefer just having a very minimal protective layer wrapping around their handset to protect it from dings, scratches and scrapes, and the thin fit is suited well for that purpose. It's also very affordable, and like all Spigen products, regularly sees discounts on Amazon. The Spigen thin fit case has, as the name suggests, a thin design, which keeps your smartphone slim too. The top and bottom ports of the phone are open, and the buttons are uncovered. It's not the most protective case Spigen has to offer, so it isn't a great choice for anyone particularly clumsy. However, you get some corner protection with air cushion technology to keep the phone safe from tiny drops. The real advantage of this phone is the added grip, which is a very welcome addition to modern glass or ceramic-backed smartphones, which are quite slippery.